Folks, today we're going to take a look at the Twinkle Star undercarriage cleaner, and I'm telling y'all right now, if you do not have one of these, you are missing out. Think of all the grunge and salt and mud that gets underneath your car, all plastered underneath, and using a traditional pressure washer wand just isn't going to get it. This is awesome because you can roll it underneath the vehicle. You've got these 4 nozzles right here spraying upwards, loosens up all that grunge and that dirt, and drops it to the ground. Also too with this, and it rolls super nice as well. Now they do make a more low slung model that if you're concerned about ground clearance or anything, if you have a real low slung sports car, they do have a more compact model that you can get. This one though, with the big wheels, it'll fit under pretty much just about any SUV truck that most people are driving today. It fits under my sedan with no problems. And the fittings here, solid or quality, haven't had any issues with them leaking. You can also pull this pin as well and rotate this around to your heart's content. So you can use it too as a water broom. So you can just kind of angle it like that and roll it along that way and direct it right down to the ground. However you choose to use it. Personally, myself, I have it set up just for doing the undercarriage in the vehicle. After this, I'm going to go ahead and roll in some footage of me using it and what it all looks like in reality and how well it works. But definitely, folks, check this out. It is worth having. It does come too with a couple of lengths of wand as well to give you that length to be able to roll it underneath the car. You can also purchase additional lengths of wand if you have a really big vehicle or something like that and you want to, make sure that you can get much further underneath the vehicle. So that's available out there also too. I have mine set up so it's pretty long, so that way I can readily roll it underneath any vehicle I've got. So works pretty good. Very happy with it, and definitely check these out, and also to check out the footage that I have coming up next to me using it. So folks, we have a lot of mud and grunge underneath here on the RTV. We need to get off with that Twinkle Star, and let's have a look underneath here. Difficult to kind of get to without that roller undercarriage cleaner. Here's another shot right here. Really filthy and grungy there. And at places like right here. So let's go ahead and get all that out. Folks, here's all the mud that came off just from doing underneath with that Twinkle Star undercarriage cleaner. Let's come around here to the back. And we haven't even kind of hit it from the top with the pressure washer yet, so still more mud to come off, but we basically got all the stuff that was caked on underneath, and so that's going to make a huge difference not carrying all that around.